So here's how to fix Discord not opening on PC, the app stack, or it won't launch. First, you want to right click on Windows logo, then click on Run. And in here, you want to type %sign local updata %sign, press OK. And then click on Update a folder, and then click on Roaming. And in here, search for Discord folder, double click on it. And then right click the cache folder and click on Delete to remove the folder. Now make sure Discord is closed before doing that, so you can open Task Manager and search for Discord. Then right click End Task, and then End Task again. Now you can try again to remove the folder. Now you can simply close this. Next, you want to right click the Windows or the Discord logo on your desktop. Right click on it, show more options, and then go to Properties. In here, go to Compatibility tab, and then make sure Disable Full Screen Optimization is checked, and Run this program as admin is also checked. Now press Apply and OK. Now try to run Discord again and see if it works. Now, if this still does not work, what you can do is right click on Windows logo again, and then go to Settings. And in here, try to temporarily disable the firewall by searching Firewall. Go to Windows Defender Firewall and click on Turn Windows Defender on or off. Now turn it off temporarily to test if this works. Now you can also go back and click on Allow an app or feature through Firewall. Now search for Discord. Now if you don't find it in here, click on Allow Other App and then browse to Discord. Now if you don't know where Discord is, you can go back to the desktop, right click on the logo, and then show more options, then open file location. And in here you want to copy this path. Then go back and click Allow Another App, click Browse and paste the copied path in here. Press Enter. Then select the update, double click on it and add. Now you want to enable public and private settings, then press OK. Now try to run Discord again and see if it works for you. Now if it still doesn't, what you can do is try to perform a clean reinstall of Discord by going to Windows logo, right click on it, go to Installed Apps, and then search for Discord in here. Then click on the three dots and click on Uninstall, and then confirm to uninstall the app. Next, you want to open your browser, and then go to discord.com, where you can type Discord download and click on Download for Windows, and it should start downloading Discord setup again. Now you will simply need to double click on it to reinstall it back into your PC. And that should generally solve any problems you have. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.